Mary, Queen of Scots, born in 1542, ascended to the throne at just 6 days old after the untimely death of her father, King James V of Scotland. Raised in France and married to the future King Francis II, Mary returned to Scotland in 1561 to rule as its queen. Her reign was plagued by political and religious conflict, assassination plots, and tumultuous marriages. Eventually, Mary was forced to abdicate in favor of her son, James VI, and fled to England seeking protection from Queen Elizabeth I. However, Elizabeth saw Mary as a threat to her own throne and had her imprisoned for 19 years. In February 1587, on this day, Mary was put on trial and executed for her involvement in a plot to assassinate Elizabeth. Despite the turmoil of her reign, Mary remains an iconic figure in Scotland's history, remembered for her beauty, her elegance, and her tragic end. A reminder of the complexities of power and the sacrifices made in the pursuit of it.